Okay, so my topic is on meditation to help reduce anxiety. And according to Understanding the Facts of Anxiety Disorders, an article last updated in 2015, an estimated 40 million American adults suffer from anxiety, and only about 1/3 receive treatments. And as college students, we're all bound to get anxiety or stress, and then the stress causes anxiety, and then anxiety can cause panic attacks. And then for anyone who has a panic attack or who's experienced a panic attack, they can all agree that it probably is the best feeling. So how many of you guys know what anxiety is? Okay, now how many of you guys have ever experienced anxiety? Alright, so, and have you guys ever thought that meditation could possibly help reduce anxiety? Okay, so none of you guys? Okay, so I have had anxiety, and my doctor personally recommended that I take Xanax, but instead of taking medication for my anxiety, I decided that I wanted to try a different approach, which is meditation. And my high school chemistry teacher had us, who was also a doctor by the way, had us meditate in class for at least 5 minutes in an attempt to reduce stress from high school. So I'm first going to talk to you or explain to you what anxiety is, then I'm going to explain the causes of anxiety, and then I'm going to explain the solution of how to reduce anxiety, which is meditation. So what is anxiety? According to Dr. Jean Siegel in the article Anxiety Disorders and Anxiety Attacks last updated April 2015, anxiety is the body's natural response to danger or when you're facing a stressful situation. And some of the symptoms of anxiety, emotional symptoms, include trouble concentrating, feeling tense and jumpy, or restlessness, and some of the physical symptoms of anxiety include sweating, insomnia, a pounding heart, or tremors or twitches. So now that I explained to you what anxiety is, I'm going to give you some of the causes of anxiety. So everyday situations can cause anxiety, and since we're college students, we can probably agree that finals weeks gives us anxiety, and or job interviews can give you anxieties, anything along the lines like that. And according to Mayo Clinic, the Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research, last updated August 2014, anxiety may be medically caused from an overproduction of the fight or flight hormone, or anxiety could also be caused from giving persuasive speeches in front of people. So now that I gave you some of the causes of anxiety, I'm going to explain a possible solution, which is meditation. So in effect of Sahaja Yoga meditation, a case study done by Dr. Sheng Chia Chung, after a week of meditation treatment in the patient's all quality of life domains in clinical anxiety had improved significantly. And so this showed how meditation can actually really help in physical or psychological problems in people. And then according to Just Say an article by Joel Stein, last updated in August 2013, meditation has been proven to boost immune cells in women that are known to combat tumors in breast cancer. So that was just another little random fact about how meditation can help other than psychological problems. And so the most simplest way to meditate is to find a quiet place, and you want to find a place that has the least distractions as possible. And all you want to do is close your eyes, and the purpose of this is is you're trying to shut down the outside world from your brain, so your brain can stop actively processing information coming from your senses. And then from here, there's multiple ways, and so each individual has to pick a different way that they prefer to meditate. And so one of the ways that they recommend is picking a word, and you can pick whatever word you want that's soothing to you, and you just repeat that word as you exhale, and then you just keep repeating that and repeating that. Or if you would prefer, people prefer just focusing on their breathing patterns, and that helps them concentrate on nothing else except their breathing patterns. And so, or you could even add different things to your meditation practices, like incense, because some of the smells from incense burning helps your brain release like certain chemicals. Or you could add music to your meditation practices, because if whatever helps the person concentrate. Okay, so it's now time to wrap things up. So meditation has been proven to be effective in reducing anxiety, and as well as helping psychological problems and improving our quality of life. So I first explained to you what anxiety was, and then I gave you some of the causes of anxiety, and then I explained to you how meditation could be a possible solution in reducing anxiety. And so next time you guys ever have anxiety, always try to at least meditate for 10 minutes or so, and it will make a difference, I promise. So yeah, thank you.